Welcome to Scoot, an experiential meeting and webinar platform that captivates customers and accelerates sales. Today we'll be discussing one of Scoot's most powerful tools, Smart Badging. Smart Badging transforms meetings and webinars by unlocking valuable participant insights. Smart Badging is all about collecting and displaying essential participant information right on their digital badge. This gives you a quick and easy way to understand who's in the room and how to connect with them effectively. There are several ways to get this data into Scoot. The first is filling out your Smart Badge while entering a meeting or webinar. Participants easily share their information during the join process. They see a preview of their badge as they answer questions, ensuring transparency. As a host, you have incredible control over the questions you ask participants. Choose from our pre-built standard questions or create custom ones tailored to your specific needs. Then, choose from several question formats, including short answer, paragraph, multi-select, single select, and numeric. You can even highlight key questions and answers by featuring them. This will show the answer to the featured question front and center on the participant's badge. If you are planning a meeting or webinar through Scoot's events and registration page, all Smart Badging questions answered during the registration process will automatically be passed along when a participant joins the event using the magic link provided. You can also set up one-click access to attendees by giving Scoot a CSV file of all desired participant data. You can even set up a CRM integration to continuously pass and update employee data prior to joining a meeting. Once in the Scootiverse, Smart Badges are always accessible. Hover over a participant's video bubble, check the guest list from the options menu, or search to view their details and favorite users. Participants can easily update their badge information at any time by selecting Edit Smart Badge from the options menu. With Smart Badging, hosts can also enable individualized journeys of your meeting sent to attendees after the call. These summaries can include details of who you spoke to, favorited, and any relevant Smart Badge info. Smart Badging is a game changer for virtual interactions. By harnessing the power of participant information, you can create more connected and impactful Scootiverse experiences.